Welcome in, my dolls and figurines. This package is a haul of American Girl stuff that I have bought for my 31st birthday. The cats are very excited for me to open this box. It is huge. It was literally half my door, let me tell you, and it's only a mini haul, but I'm very excited to share with you guys what I got. I did buy some things on their sale that they had for their half-year sale. I did buy a doll. I did buy a carrying case. I think I have a stand still coming, but let's get into it. I actually feel like I'm in the 90s again. Steven really wants in this box, but there is a ton of packing peanuts. And I had to show you guys that because my excitement when I opened this box. But let's grab the first thing out. I got Isabel's bed set because it came with the Tamagotchi, and this is the new historical 1999 girls. It's kind of hard to see because my ring light's right there, but it comes with a Tamagotchi and a poster of a cat and all this stuff, and I will show you guys more up close the things, but I'm just trying to dig everything out of this box, I guess. This is the bag, like the carrying case it looks like. And this is one of my favorite things. Oh my god, it's heavy. This is the 1999 Isabel and Nikki computer set, which I am so excited. I was planning on making a little mini American Girl dollhouse under my desk, so I kind of felt like I needed this. I don't even have enough room to put all my stuff here. The cats are in absolute rare form. I literally feel like I'm digging a tunnel. Oh my god. This is Julie's record player. She is the 1974 historical American Girl, and I collect records, so I definitely had to have that. I could not go without it. It looks very small though, I'm not gonna lie, but I suppose for a doll, that probably is the correct size. And then the part that I'm most nervous for and excited for. Oh my god. I got the Truly Me 121 doll that definitely looks just like I did as a kid. Seems like her eyes are both working, so that's good. She really looks a lot like me as a kid. We're probably gonna have to cut her hair or something. And then I definitely bought her an outfit because I don't love the sporty look of the outfit that they come with. Hi, Star Child. Yes, say hello to my new doll. There is an outfit in here which I'm trying to dig out. The Truly Me, and I have a dress just like this. It's kind of hard to see. Skeleton outfit, and it comes with a hair extension, and I think that's all I got. But let's open it. Not gonna lie, I was kind of hoping there'd be a catalog or something. I think you can go online and order catalogs to your house, which I would really love for nostalgic purposes. But I'm gonna get rid of the packing peanuts and let my cats wreak havoc on this box because they're gonna have the time of their lives with this expensive box. Aren't you, kitty? This is Star Child, by the way. And I just want to say real quick, I do appreciate that they made sure the doll was packed safely, but that's a little excessive. I think we can do a little better. I don't know. I'm glad my doll was safe, but... Right, Steven. Now I have to recycle and figure this out. Here's everything I got. I think I'm going to open it off camera and come back and show you guys everything a little bit more intact. I did get the bag as well. I was thinking of getting Nikki, the 1999 girl. It was a very tough choice, but there was not a lot of dolls that looked like me when I was a kid because they mostly were native, which I have native in my skin, but I'm not that dark. And so it's a tough situation, but I finally found a doll that looked like me. And actually, I was reading the history of American Girl and the historical stuff, and behind the Truly Me line and whatever it used to be is supposed to be about us being a part of history, and so they look like you are a part of history. And so I actually really like that story and idea of having my own historical story of like I was alive in the 90s. I wasn't alive in the 70s, but I got the Julie record player because, as you can see here, I collect Hecka records, and so I felt like it was only fair. But I'm really excited to share my first adult experience with American Girl with you guys. The only doll I owned as a child was Lindsay, the 2001 Girl of the Year, and she is now kind of hard to get. I came across Princess Pastelita. Sorry, I just stuttered. Princess Pastelita on Instagram, and she brings her American Girl to Disney, and she also redoes American Girl faces, and she's very like coquette style, very cutesy, and she actually rekindled my love for these dolls, and I have been like non-stop obsessively researching history about the dolls, about the stores, about the brand and everything. And the doll that I remembered, the only name that I remembered, I didn't even remember the doll I had to do research to figure that out. The only doll I remembered was Kaya, so I kind of regret not getting her, but again, I said I have native in my blood, but people have literally said I was culture appropriating when I had dreads, even though I actually am native. And so it's a tough situation with me and that doll, but I still think I'm going to get Kaya at some point. And I also always really wanted Kirsten as a kid. And I just found out that her story is that she is a Swedish settler that settled on the plains of Minnesota, and I was born and raised in Minnesota. So honestly, I think I'm going to for sure end up with those two. I know the Girl of the Year this year is from Minnesota also, but I wasn't really in love with her story. I just really want that super cute gay Barbie horse. It looks like a Barbie horse. You cannot tell me any different. You cannot tell me it's not gay. And I need it. But I don't know about the girl herself. The story to me makes no sense. As a Minnesotan, she is a gymnast and she rides horse, and apparently her story is about using the two talents to kind of go together, like having more than one hobby but them kind of intertwining, I guess, which is a cute story, but none of that has anything to do with Minnesota in my opinion. But apparently they did a bunch of research and talked to like people from the Excel Energy Center, which I think is kind of cool. Sorry to go on a tangent, but she might be a cool one to have. I for sure want Kirsten. I wanted a Truly Me. I really want Julie. I honestly was either between Nikki and Julie, but then I was like, Nikki has blue eyes that are really bugging me. I really love her skater girl, like Mary-Kate and Ashley vibe. Kind of want to name her Avril if I do get her. But I don't know, I just like, I wanted one with brown eyes, and so I was almost thinking Julie, but then she has blonde hair, and just, I ended up on the Truly Me at the end of all this tangent, just so you guys know. You already know, but it was so tough coming back into this world and falling in love with these dolls again, and then not being able to get Lindsay Bergman, the doll that I grew up with, even though apparently her sales did not go over well, which I think is great because I loved her, and my mom probably thought she was hot Shiite when she bought her because it was the Girl of the Year. I had begged for an American Girl because my cousin had like 3 or 4, and I knew they were a really nice doll, and honestly, I traded my toys really nice. I've kept a lot of things from my childhood, and so my mom eventually got me one, and I think we had like a dog or a few things for it, but eventually when I was 16, she sat in a garage for a while, and I eventually like picked her up and was like, I don't know, like people made fun of me for playing with toys, even though at 16, I think you still are a child, and I think that's kind of messed up that how is a child too old to play with a toy? And I think that society wants us to grow up too fast. My family didn't ever say that to me. While I open this, I'm just going to do a little story-ish time and continue my stories, but I don't know if I already said, but I ended up selling my American Girl for probably like dirt cheap at a garage sale when I was like 16. And even when I brought all this up to my mom, she was like, I wish I wouldn't have let you sell that. I feel like I was kind of mad, but she wasn't going to stop me, of course, because she got it. I was just trying to, like, fit in, and my friends kind of made fun of me for, like, still playing with toys with my younger stepsister and stuff, even in middle school. And it's like, you were 12, 13 at most in middle school, you can play with a doll. I don't know. Anyways, I'm reliving my childhood, and this one did come with the catalog, so super happy about that. It came with like a little Julie catalog of the 70s girl. I so want her. Oh my gosh. So you can check off all her stuff. I'm sure parents love that because then every kid is like, Mom, but I need whatever and whatever. And just to let you know, I am not rich. I am a server, so I do make quite a bit in tips and stuff, and I do other online work and sell things on Etsy, try to sell my art, but it's not like I make a ton of money. And I was able to get this on their half-year sale, which also happens to be my birthday. June 25th is when the half-year sale ended. So this is so cute, and I will go through my records someday if anyone's interested in that, but this is Julie's 1974 record set. I did not get the doll, but I collect records, so I needed this for my story. These are everything, and I don't know if they're made to be like 45 size or actual vinyl size for the doll. I feel like maybe an actual vinyl. That is so cute, and apparently they play little 70s music. Sorry I'm all over the place, but I thought you guys would actually like to see some of this stuff that I got. And I did hear about clothes staining dolls, and now I'm nervous because she has all black tights, but maybe I just don't make her wear the outfit like all the time. Like I put her in it for a day, but the record player is super cute. Again, I don't know if worth the price. I'm not sure yet. I guess I haven't even heard the music, and also I don't know if this can go on with a record. Maybe it's not even in there all the way. I'm not sure exactly what's happening. I might have to look into that, but that is that, and I really do think it's cute. This is the Disco Dance Party album that I've just thrown in there. There is Shake It, and I'm the Sunshine on the Rain, which I'm sure, I don't know, there's supposed to be a little tune to each of them. Yeah, I've been very lucky with parents that actually support this. My family and friends, they don't really get it, and that's kind of why I'm here, is to find a sense of community and connect with more like minds that are interested in what I'm interested in. And this is the skeleton outfit here, and I have an outfit very similar that also glows in the dark. Doesn't have a tutu, but oh my gosh, this is so cute. But yeah, I just heard that these could stain, so I might wash this. I'm not really sure. This is freaking amazing, and it comes with a hair extension, and also some little tights, and some shoes, which I have another pair of extra shoes that I got off AliExpress because it said 5 centimeter, and somehow I thought that was going to fit a Blythe doll, and then I realized that it was this size. But I'm really excited because now they will fit an American Girl and kind of match this outfit. They have little cats on them. So that is the outfit that I got, and I'm feeling like it's very me today, so I didn't even plan that. So the Isabel room set is very special to me because a lot of this is type of things that I had in my room as a kid. I mean, not necessarily that, the colors definitely. I still to this day have a pretty extensive Tamagotchi collection, which I definitely want to show on the channel. I would like to show them all charged up, but it would be kind of hard to keep a bunch alive. And I know this isn't real, and I do have Tamagotchi minis that would probably be perfect for her size, so I could use a real one, but kind of had to get that. And it was on sale for 25 bucks for the half year, and I know it's back to regular price, but again, you can wait for the sales. Even the new stuff and newer whatever will go on sale. I waited, and I saw it, and I bought it. It came with a journal, which I definitely had. I had password journals. Remember those? That's what this reminds me of, 100%. I guess I don't really need to open them on here, but it is exciting to see also this. And it says on the back, January 1st, 2000, which I know for a fact we got these catalogs for years before I even ever had one. And probably after, for a while, until I was a teen, we got these mags. And so I hope that this is real. I'm excited to look at it. I think it is real. It's not the catalogs. It's like the kids magazine, like Make a Pen Pal, which I totally remember these two, and having the books. Having the books was a little traumatizing, actually, but it did help you learn a lot. They were just like those puberty books, and they were strange, but they were there, and I think they still exist, too, actually. And then, one of the best things, actually two of the best things, is this, which I think you hang like this, but I remember having a beaded curtain like this that you, like, walked through your room in. And that was really fun and cool. It was like orange and purpley beads at my mom's place, and that was really fun. And I definitely had something like this that was a cat that was like a Godzilla type cat, like taking over a city, and it said some sort of quote like this that I got at the book fair. So this is super nostalgic poster. And then the last thing that this came with is it came with her little catalog, but it also told you how to do a little DIY style collage, which you could totally do in the journal, or if you like have kids, they could do it, and that would be really cute. I think I want to somehow make more of these, because I have, you know, my own beads, and then like make her a little beaded curtain now. I feel like that's the move. Hey guys, so I did start opening the computer, and I'm really excited about it. This is the mouse pad. It's gonna kind of try to not bore you guys to death, but it's really exciting. These are little glow-in-the-dark stickers, it looks like we used to stick on our wall, which like just makes me so happy. This is like a little Polaroid, it looks like, and it's like signed 1999 Isabel and Nikki, which obviously I don't have that doll, but I can like pretend they were my friends, my doll's friend in 1999. Like she took that picture of her friends or something, unless I do get the dolls. And then these are the computer screens, which I don't even want to ruin them. I don't really know how they work yet, so I will probably show that in a different video. And then they came with the old school American Girl symbol. I don't even know how I remember that. And also, I think I saw shirts of that recently on Instagram someone had. Love that. Interesting. So the rug is not what I thought it was gonna be. It's just like canvas cloth, which I guess is nice, especially for kids, because you could just probably throw it in the wash and that would be fine. But I do have cats, so not a good idea to leave out or probably on the carpet at all times. But I did want to tell you guys about the quality of that. I do like it and think it's very cute and worth it so far. Alright guys, and I wanted to kind of end it here. I'm not going to go through the whole computer setup because all of it's just amazing, and I kind of want to show it set up, and there's a lot of moving parts to this, but we definitely had these back in the day. And I played The Sims on these back in the day. I had a Barbie game where you set up the Barbie in her chair and she connected. Like, this is giving me so much nostalgia. It's almost like my TV that I still use for the PS2. And also I wanted to give a shout out to my dad for those record boxes that I showed earlier. They are an heirloom to me that I will never let go of. They're very special to me, and that is kind of why this Julie record set is very special to me. And please go check out his page, and thank you guys for watching. I will end it here with unboxing. I don't know if we're gonna call her Alex. I don't know if we're gonna call her Mini-Me. I don't know if I'm gonna rename her. But she is kind of supposed to be Mini-Me. And there she is, the Truly Me 121 doll. Oh, there goes her book. But she definitely looks just like me as a kid. I would have wore that as a kid. I didn't think the nose looked like me, but actually it kind of does. And I had more buck teeth as a kid. That is crazy. But thank you guys who are supporting me, and I hope you enjoyed the stories and the haul. Definitely expect more, and I will definitely always explain to you guys how I got the deals and everything else, and I will definitely show more of her with the computer. I'm so excited about that. But I didn't want to bore you guys, so I really hope you did enjoy what I put in this video, and I can't wait to see you guys again soon. Have a different day, and stay true to you wherever you are in the world. Thank you.